So then I put / follow-up questions because I always need to remind myself not to just go to the next question, to the next question, to the next question. I think I've felt a lot of benefit to showing genuine curiosity and active listening when I ask a question and then I just go deeper into that same subject and then a little bit deeper. And then how did you do that? Where did you start that? When did you do this? Why did you pick that? Was it hard to do that? And it's all on the same topic, but we're going, several levels deep with it. And it seems to just really add to the interview, and it feels a lot better as well. By doing these follow-up questions, you're more likely to have a unique content coming out of your guest because you're not just staying surface level, you're actually going a little bit deeper. The fourth of the 5 is open-ended questions. I think this is pretty obvious, right? Like you've probably heard this more than once. There's 2 types of questions. There's asking a yes or no question, and there's asking a question that needs detail. So you might say, "Are you a pilot?" And they say, "Yes." And that was it. That's you. Now that you hear the crickets going, right? "Are you a pilot?" "Yes." Oh, shit. I asked a bad question. I didn't ask an open-ended question. I made a mistake, and that got boring. So you can say instead as, "I heard you were a pilot. If that's true, when did you get started into that?" It's just another way. What would you say is the main reason you got your pilot's license? So when you were a pilot, so here's just a bunch of examples of open-ended questions. When you were getting your pilot's license, was it scary the first time you had to fly on your own? See these like open-ended questions, these follow-up questions, these genuine curiosities. It changes it from surface level to deeper. And that's what I'm talking about for open-ended questions versus just yes, no questions.